In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a barbell bent over row, and we're going to be doing the supinated grip version in this exercise tutorial. So firstly, supinated grip, imagine you're holding a bowl of soup, you're going to have your palm up. So pronated, palm down, and the difference between the two is pronated is a lot more forearm, a little bit more emphasis on the wrist as well. Supinated, which I'm demoing in this exercise tutorial, bit more emphasis on the bicep working. So that's the difference between the two. No individual style is better or worse than the other, just depends on what you're looking to work. Often people can do more weight with a supinated grip because you've got that emphasis and help from the bicep. So firstly, you'll notice here I've got the bar set up on a squat rack. This means when I deadlift the bar up, it's going to be a lot higher. I'm using less energy and I'm being more energy efficient when it comes to doing my rows. Two styles of this, so I could use this rack position right now and I could do all my repetitions from the rack. So what that means is I'm going to have my feet hip width apart, my hands just outside my thighs, and that's going to be the position that I place my hands on the bar. So my hands are just outside of my thighs. So I could come into that position. From here, I've got that squat position. I'm nice and low with the hips, back straight, and I could come into each individual repetition using the position on the squat rack, or alternatively, what I can do is I could deadlift the weight up, reset my position. I'll do this side onto the camera so you can see. So imagine I've just stood up with the bar, hips come back nice and slowly, and you'll notice I'm slightly bending my knees as I come down. I come just below the knee, and from here I can now use this as my start position. So I've got that palm up position. I'm really squeezing the shoulder blades, controlling the bar up and down, making sure that each time I get that big contraction between the shoulder blades. When I'm done, I'd obviously be in this position when I'm doing my repetitions. So say this is my last repetition, I can just squat straight down, making sure that I don't have to walk the bar in if I'm using these safety catches. So that's how to do a barbell bent over row with supinated grip. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.